Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Crystal Blessing cards by Valencia Chan, published by US Game Systems, retailing for $22.95 in the US. So thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am very excited. And as always, in the description box below, if you are interested in purchasing this, I will link the legitimate places to do so. Crystal Blessing cards give insight, guidance, and affirmations for 70 different crystals. That's exciting. Work with the gems and crystals in the 70 card deck for guidance on your spiritual journey. Each Crystal Blessing card features a color photo of the crystal, a description of its meaning and benefits, and a powerful affirmation. Choose a single card to receive a crystal blessing for the day, or use the cards as an oracle deck for insightful assistance with a situation. So Valencia Chan also created the crystal message cards here. So I'm interested to see if this is like an upgrade or if it's something completely different or if it's similar. So we'll find out. But I like the packaging. I like the size of it. I like all the different crystals on here. Okay. I'm going to unwrap the plastic and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have a little insert card here. Using the deck, pick a random card to receive its message for the day. Use as flashcards to learn about the crystals. Use as an oracle deck for guidance about a situation, and or tune into a card to gain the benefit and energy of the crystal. So then we have a little bit about Valencia Chan. During this time of the Great Awakening, there has been a resurgence of interest in crystals. As we enter the age of Aquarius, we are releasing the old paradigm to give birth to the new. Crystals can help us navigate our way by providing guidance and healing. Choose a card from the Crystal Blessing deck to receive wise counsel, restoration, and blessings from the Crystal Devas. Okay, so here's the back. Cardstock is that US Game Systems cardstock. Very nice. It's sturdy, but it snaps back. Feels really good in the hand. There's a slight gloss to it. I wouldn't call it a complete matte deck. All right, if you choose to pause, you can do so to read each card, but I'm going to just go through them and then I'll shuffle and we'll pick a card and we'll read through the whole thing. So it does look like we have the name of the crystal, a keyword about what it's good for, or what the energy it encompasses, about the crystal, and then we have an affirmation at the bottom. So very similar to her other deck. And I really do like the other deck as well. So I'm excited for this one. The pictures of the crystals are really great too. Oop. Oh, aura coated aqua. Oh, I love aquamarine. It's so pretty. I like too that for the clearer crystals, you have a black background, so that's great to see. Oh, black kyanite. I love black kyanite. Oh, we've got onyx too. Yeah, the pictures are fantastic. Sometimes in crystal decks, it's a little harder to pick up on what exactly that crystal is because the quality is not the best, or maybe it's not the most iconic looking crystal to put in the picture, but these are great. And I like that you don't need a guidebook for this. Everything you need is on the card. And I'm a sucker for an affirmation. So anytime it comes with one automatically, I love it. Oh, blue topaz. Ooh. Budstone. Interesting. That's something I haven't heard of before, and now I want one. Like a little seed. Oh, this is on my list. A bumblebee jasper rock. Oh, crystal. Champagne topaz. Ooh. Charite is on my list as well. It is expensive. I love that there's a like unique blend of crystals in this deck too. It's not just, you know, your amethyst or, you know, black tourmaline. You have a lot of really unique ones in here too. Desert rose. I love desert rose. In fact, here's one right here. So it really does look that amazing. Epidote. Fire agate. Ooh. Oh, fuchsia. Okay. I was reading a little bit about this as we're filming here, but very cool. That's a really cool picture of it. Herkimer diamond. Ooh. Oh, I love honey calcite. I have some Kambaba too. Larimar. So pretty. Well, I'm very happy to see the different ones in here. I like the keywords. Oh, Moldavite. Morganite, that's on my list too. So pretty. It's UV reactive. Numite. Ocean jasper is wonderful too. There's a bunch of different color combinations. So pretty. Like this is ocean jasper. So there's a lot of different fun, unique color combos. Fossil. Peach moonstone. Peacock ore, I've got some of that too. Little chips. It's so pretty. It really doesn't photograph well. It's one of those stones you have to see in person to really get the awe of it. Love pyrite too. Sorry, let me just show you my crystals. Pretty. I bet you that was a hard photograph to get right. Rainforest jasper. I like that the borders too are matching the stone colors. That's a fun addition. This is one I've yet to see at my crystal shops. I need to find one. Ooh, that's really cool. It almost looks like petrified wood. Another meteor. And yellow jasper. All right, let's see how it shuffles and then we'll read a card. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, that feels really good and I like the size of it. I'm not really struggling to grasp the whole card in my hand as I shuffle. Sometimes the longer the cards are, the more difficult my hands have a job of holding on to it. But no, it feels really good this way too. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, Fimstock, the one that we were reminiscing on. Okay, so fairy magic. Fimstock is sometimes called fairy crystal. When rubbed, the stone leaves sparkling green glitter, aka fairy dust, behind. To help with your garden or indoor plants, hold Fimstock and connect to the fairy kingdom and nature elements. Tell them you appreciate that all that they do for the planet. You will be rewarded with beautiful foliage and more fairy magic in your life. And then we have the affirmation below. I take time to connect with the flower fairies and nature devas. As I do so, my life becomes more magical. Okay, well, I really like this. I think this is great if you are somebody who wants to learn more about crystals or is already a crystal lover and wants to have more options of a crystal deck with you. I love that there's an affirmation. I love that there's more, I'll call them obscure crystals in here. They're not just like the more common ones like rose quartz and amethyst. So that's really cool to see. A lot of really neat crystals in here too that are super magical and gorgeous. I do want to see if the her other deck is similar or if this is like an upgraded version. Okay, so this is really cool. This is a very similar deck. So very cool to see similar backgrounds, but they're completely different crystals. So going through it like this, her original one has more of the more common crystals in here. So completely different than what we went through. And this one has more of the more obscure crystals, but still very common ones in here as well. So that is so cool. So honestly, the same layout and same type of information, but different categories of crystals, different ones. So if you already own her first one, this is completely new and different. So that's fantastic to see. Oh, I'm excited. So you literally have like a whole like encyclopedia of crystals if you have both decks. Even if you have one deck, that's 70 cards, 70 different crystals, 70 different affirmations, 70 different ways of utilizing the deck, really, because if you want to learn as a flashcard or learn, you know, connect with a specific crystal more, it's all here. So that is so cool to see. And if you get both of them, you can combine it into one big deck too, use them together. I am really excited. So I would love to know if you have her original one, the crystal message cards, or if you are excited about this new one that we just looked at, the crystal blessing cards. Let me know all of your thoughts down below. I am so excited now that I know that they are different decks and it's not just, you know, one upgraded version. That is so, so cool. So thank you to US Game Systems for sending this our way. I am so excited to get to know it better. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.